or not with the six, no shifty shit. We ride with the stick, this shit get lit, need five.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Spelab sent us out the CCV Reroute kit for the 2020 Duramax. This kit, I believe, is for 2017 all the way up to the 2020 or 2024. Sorry. I'll leave everything in the description. Discount code is right here if you want to purchase it. Yeah, it comes with the billet block, all your fittings, oil fill tube, hose, your 90. Block off plate for the turbo, and your bolt kit. So let's get to installing it. All right, so basically what I'm going to do is, I've never installed this kit before, so I think I'm going to walk you through what I'm going to do, and then time lapse some, and then at the end I'll actually go through exactly what I did, how to get it on and everything, because I really don't know what I'm doing yet. So yeah, so here we go. All right, so what I'm going to do, the little bit of videos that I have seen on this kit, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this boost tube off right here. There's 4 bolts right here is your CCV right here. I'm going to take, there's 4 non-tampered bolts on there. I'm going to take them off. And then this hose here goes to your inlet horn for your turbo. I'm going to take this off and then reroute the hose probably down in there. Some guys actually reroute it back into here. I think I'm going to cap this off and run it out to the frame. But yeah, that's really, and then install the pieces. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's really that hard, but to really get into it, I don't know. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'll time lapse some of it, and then I'll get back to you at the end and tell you exactly what I did. All right, time to get it out. That was definitely more of a pain than what I expected it to be honest with you. That one back bolt is definitely a pain to get out because it's behind the turbo inlet, or it's just behind the turbo. All right, there it is. Hopefully you can see it. Finally got it out. I cut the hose. Here's the bottom of it. Full of oil. I don't know if this one was bad or not, but it is what it is. All right, here's what it looks like when you get everything out. Got your 2 holes. That'll be where your big billet block goes in the back. Then your front will be where your if I can see it, your fill tube. All right, it wasn't too bad. Put this back on. It's 10mm Allen key for that block. Don't crank everything too tight. Should be all right. Just snug. Everything is aluminum back there, but you can see where I ran my hose. It's up out back. You just plug the other end of the block off. But yeah, it's fairly simple once you understand it. I mean, pretty much everything only goes one way. You can actually run it up here back into your inlet horn if you want to. I chose to run it back out to the bottom of the frame, and I still have to cap this off. But other than that, it was really simple. Products, I don't know. I mean, it seems really good. The quality's there. Came with everything. I'm gonna run it up to temperature and make sure I got no leaks. All right, everything's up to temperature, and No leaks. Everything's good. So if you guys want this product, hit up Spelab on Instagram or on YouTube or on their website and get 15% off, Percy 15. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.